Mm, 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 mm. Yeah. Sure. Here we go. We gotta. What the fuck was that? Oh. What up, Travis? What's up, Travis? Oh, my sternum hurts. What's going on? What's going on, my boy? What's going on, my boy? What you been up to, man? The one and only Lions Den, baby. Only for a short amount of time, maybe like half hour. Nothing crazy. Oh, could be better. How about you? How's everything, Travis? Will you do IDD? I will do ADD because that's what I feel like I had. Um, no, just got. I feel like I got bitten by a whole bunch of mosquitoes, and no, just oh my god, I feel so sore. I feel tired, bro. But I wanted to just like I'm gonna do this quick stream and see what's going on together, and oh, but let me see. Need a transition. I need to pop out the chat. Yeah, it's this whole thing with like some West Nile virus type BS nonsense. I don't know. I don't know what it is. Oh my god, I keep like. Sorry. Um, Let me see. I'm gonna switch right now, and oh shoot, what's going on here? Speaking of China, let me see Pinduoduo. Look, it says Asian stocks slide as geopolitical worries sap confidence. And you're talking about China, and this is a part of it. It says here Asian stocks fell on Tuesday as investors pondered looming U.S. interest rate cuts and awaiting earnings from AI darling. AI darling, that's cute. Nvidia, while rising tensions in the Middle East and supply concerns checked risk sentiment and lifted oil prices. You remember last week, and I was like saying, oh, like oil eventually is coming back up, and it's gonna hit around $78, something like that, like as resistance. And I feel like that's what's happening right now. Mm. It's like, I don't know. It's like Bitcoin is like slowly sliding down, and who knows if it's just the beginning of it becoming weak and stuff. It's coming down, and I don't know. Hi Zelly, how you doing? Um, so Lion, you would not play poker with us, but guess who did? The only, yeah, of course, it's Poker Girl. Um, she's the expert. Thank you, Travis. We are, aren't we? We love to share our beautiful energy with everybody. Let's see. Where's the PD? I just realized. I look at it and it's like you say the initials and it's like saying P Diddy, P D D. Huh? Happy birthday once again, CP. How's it going so far? No, I'm good. Yeah, I just need some rest. I need because I had just had a long week, and put in over 52 hours. I had to work Saturday and Sunday, And yeah, just just going through another week now. And then my boss wants me to now do another weekend at the same spot. If the guy doesn't decide to show up, then I'm probably gonna have to take his spot again and pretty much take his pay. I mean, he's the one that's losing out, and I'm the one that's getting every freaking dollar. So so you know, hey Kat, welcome back. Oh, Jesse's here too. All right. What's going on, Jesse? Welcome back. Good evening. Welcome back, Momo, George, Kat, once again. Everybody else. What is going on? I am here a little late than usual. So sorry for the heads up. Late. And just here trying to gather everything here and see what's happened today during the market. So um um you know what's crazy? It looks like it's like P Diddy is probably gonna go down some more. We just need that flagpole to shoot straight down. At that rate, if this were to continue, I'm thinking. Learn how to. Oh. Oof. She said good for Diddy. Bad for Diddy. Diddy 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 diddy. I wonder. I can't. Probably can't even say that word. Can't even say that word at all. Uh, I mean, yeah, pretty. Let me actually let me see if uh let me see if Pinduoduo trades on Robinhood in the 24-hour market. Hmm. Hmm. Where? Oh, I'm sorry. I just let me see. Trading. Uh. Oh, wait. Okay. So they do trade P Pinduo trades during the 24-hour market hours, and it just only picked up about 94 cents. So, but I don't know. Overall, though, it depends. I mean, what if it's one of those things like where it dumps so hard and then they end up like trying to buy it at a lower price? You know, that's sounds like that could be a situation there, a scenario. It looked like it was trying to it looked like it was trying to pick up again around here. It dropped to a low of 95.86. Wow, that is one deep. I mean, what was the? Let me see something. Hmm. Um. So what? They got a couple of price target, or was it changing changes here on? Um, hmm. Oh, okay. So this was based on earnings. Got it. All right. So American Depository receipts of Pinduoduo plunged nearly 30% on Monday, making their worst performance since the company went public in 2018. The sharp decline comes amid widespread selling pressures triggered by the company's dismal second quarter earnings and a more pessimistic revenue forecast. Damn, that sounds so bearish. Oh, there's Eric G. Hello, nerd. If I finally made it to the late the late stream. um, so the sell-off was driven by a combination of lackluster second quarter results and a bleaker revenue outlook that rattled investor confidence. The the Chinese retail giant reported quarterly revenues of RMB 97.06 billion, $13.4 billion in whatever an 86% increase from RMB 52.2 billion in the same quarter of 2023. Um, However, the figure fell short of analyst expectations, which were set at $13.78 billion. So the market punishes P Diddy PDD on disappointing second quarter results. Goldman Sachs holds bullish outlook. Say word. Say word. Rockets in the trap. So Goldman Sachs analyst Ronald Kung noted that the negative market reaction was likely driven by heightened expectations ahead of the earnings release, as the stock had surged about 20% from the low 120s since late July in anticipation of strong results. Damn, so they got their butts handed to them and got trapped. I'm pretty sure they poured in to call options and whatever you can think of, and then that thing just trapped them all, and the stock dropped like a tank into the water. It's crazy. I'm just gonna go forward this, and then it says here that yeah. So, mm, hmm. Oh shoot. Damn. What the hell happened here? Hmm. No. God. Oh, okay. Yeah. Yeah, Cat. I don't know how to play. I don't know how to play poker. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know how to play poker. You want your bird back? What bird? I gave you a bird? What? I think we all need to kick it, like for real. I feel like we all vibe really well. Zelly, you too, babe. I want to meet you and Carissa and tell everyone. Oh, that would be something. It would be a very unique situation for sure. Just having us all meet like that after the grand stage of them all, after the biggest event of this year transpires, and perhaps we can definitely set something up, you know. So yeah, that's awesome, man. I love y'all. Love each and every single one of you for always bringing up the vibes, and for for being who you guys are, and for making this all happen. So thank you to everybody, and especially to Zali too. Love you. Thank you for everything that you've done, for supporting, for having my back, and just for being the most sweetest, kindest, and genuine person, and treating everyone respect and being welcoming and just being sweet. So thank you. So yeah. Um, but yeah, shout out to everybody. Shout out to everybody in here. Exactly. That, oh, MGM pool? That sounds pretty cool. Definitely. That should be, should definitely be something to, you know, to make things happen, you know? So. Oh, shoot, what is this? Oh, that was today. Okay, I was about to say, like, what the hell? Like, that's not the... Okay, this is after hours right now. Okay, so it's staying around 21, 30, 32. Damn. I think super micro computer. Let's see, because oh, look, oh, artist of teals. Wow, welcome back. Welcome back. It's been a while. How's everything with you? Sack Lizzie River. Oh, darn, I feel like maybe. Well, no, I'll because Kat just reminded me of something, and it's something that I will need to mention later on after. Um, maybe not. Yeah, excuse me. Maybe not now, but tomorrow. Tomorrow. Um, yeah. Everyone spam them blue and green hearts to Artist of Teals on the chat. Blue and green hearts. Show some love. Show some love to Artist of Teal. Saying going okay here. Got it. It's going okay in most. Say over here too as well. Bit tired. You know, it's been of a drag for a long time. And I don't know, for some reason I just feel like there's a shift that's been happening, and I think the as the like as the closer we get, the more of the shift we feel, and that we will start to see some things that we would never see before. And so for that reason, I really think that close, maybe just a little bit closer to what we thought was never possible, and it will actually happen. Not financial advice, of course. Yeah, that's right, Kat. Not financial advice, but in my intuition and in what's been happening all around us, we can see the signs, we can feel that shift. And, you know, it's that moment where we have to literally prepare ourselves. And from what we have been talking about, and pretty much sharing for a long time as well, how to prepare ourselves against this inevitable event. Just in my opinion, that I feel like we're nearing the that time, and hedging against the market will be a great start. If you haven't gotten into physical or precious metals, we've talked about that too before, in our opinion. And you know, just saving as much as we can, and hopefully, hopefully it all um, play out, and we will get rewarded in the end. Just as long as we know exactly what we're gonna do, how we're gonna do it, and how we're gonna play it. Just making sure that we all play it safe, and your risk management and your limits, and even your brackets too. Prepare your brackets in case, because you don't want to miss a single minute of this opportunity. All right, so, and then afterwards, when all of this is said and done, yeah, we can definitely party. We can definitely party. Hey, hey, we can definitely party. Hey, we can definitely party. 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 In Las Vegas, MGM pool. We're getting them hand pays. Cancun. Wow. You guys know how to live it up, huh? I like that. I like that a lot. I like that a lot. Yes. Yeah. Who is actually okay? Cool. Fire. Whichever is the safest. Maybe. Maybe, baby. I feel like in a way it does. Damn, I've still what is this? Huh. I just realized they try to pump this here after market hours, and then it looks like it just started to diverge to the downside again. Interesting. Oh, look at this. 15 minutes ago, by Dow Jones Newswires, PDD Holdings target price cut to 185 from 220. PDD Holdings is maintained at a buy by Jefferies. Their target was cut to 151 from 183. But this thing just tanked so hard. Like, how are you gonna? I don't know. PDD Holdings cut to neutral from outperformed by Macquarie. That's how you say the name. What's up, Chris Wilson? How's it going, my friend? How you doing? What is up? Flames on, flame on. Let me know how you feeling tonight. It's Monday night. Right. So what are we guys trying to find out with PDD? Looks like they had terrible earnings. They have had price cuts in their price target, even though it's far from there. What is the word on PDD? Whoa! Oh, I was about to say that was some sort of a wick. That looked crazy. Okay. Well, I mean, shoot. I guess they're not gonna see that price target of 113 or something like that. But yeah, this is nuts. Ah, shit. Ugh. Let's see what else is going on with our tickers real quick, because this stream is supposed to be a just a brief review, and we'll push it to like 12, because that is my God. No, it's loud. I can hear that. Yeah, I think everything is starting to look a little bearish, to be honest. What if Tesla begins to come back down to like 200 or maybe 195? Maybe the tables are turning right now. What if that's the case scenario right now? Oh shoot. It's starting to look like that here on the 4-hour MACD. It's like that bearish divergence is continuing too. Shoot. Y'all in Tesla right now? Cause it's like on the brink of trying to either break below the 200-day estimated moving average, or it actually breaks below, or actually pops over and starts to do the same thing it did last Thursday into Friday of last week, and just popping over. But damn, I feel like it's a little bit more. I think it's just about to cross under that 30 EMA to the 48. So I think it's gonna, in my opinion, my financial advice, I think it's gonna actually try to break below and probably go back to like 195 or 200. In terms of let's see what's going on with the other tickers too as well. Let's see. Oh, we got silver here trying to climb up over here to try to break $30 an ounce again. Sava surprisingly here holding up above 20 and actually coming back up to 30 and closing around 29.76. Rocket Labs actually maintained. Oh, okay. So Rocket Labs actually maintained that level right here where you see this this I'm gonna say just whatever, this box here that I placed, and it's acting like support. I think this is okay. It took a bounce and it's actually trying to climb up here and try to go for a 685, 690. You know, try to retest that level of $7 as resistance. So that's what's going on with Rocket Labs for sure. Let's see. Look, even on the 30-minute. Hold on. What is this? Okay, look. So you got the 30-minute here, and right at the very last candle of the 30-minute chart, you got a nice bounce. A nice bounce here. Look at that candle too. It's freaking. You can't even see no wicks. It's engulfed in green. Well, it's just over that 200-day EMA, and all the 9 EMA, 13 here, just crossing right over the 200, and and from there, you know, again, like I said, we're gonna try to see if we could break over 680, 685. I don't think it's I don't think it's over yet at all. I think thank you all for doing that. So what? Okay. Oh, look at that. Just here talking about intuitive machines, Space Mobile, AST. Okay, so 3 days ago, Rocket Lab gains after appointing former Lockheed Martin CFO to the board. Lockheed Martin. Interesting. They brought back somebody from Lockheed Martin into Rocket Labs. Could that be a big deal or what? What do you guys think about that? Uh, so Rocket Labs here looking mighty juicy, and perhaps we can get another round and see if it goes for that $7 level of resistance for sure. Let's quickly look at the cost of borrow rate for Rocket Labs and see what's happening. Oh shoot, it's not even barely anything. 0.44% cost of borrow fee with 6,200,000 shares available to borrow to short. Okay. Maybe we can look at Finto and see what's happening. Okay, short interest on Rocket Lab, 56,347,196 shares. Short interest ratio of 2.94 days to cover, so it's not that high. Short interest percentage of the flow is 16.69%. Off exchange short volume ratio is at 43.03%. Again, reporting 6,200,000 short shares available. Alright, so that's actually updated. That is actually updated right there, so. Let's see. Let's look at the daily right now. How does the daily look? Daily, you can see here it took a huge bounce off. You can see that big bullish wick that took place. Bounced off of 651. So if it the markets go a little bearish, again, I always tell you guys this, and I feel like you always gotta make sure to look after the markets and see what it's doing, because it could pull back. It could pull back the stock, just a majority of the stocks too. So if it comes back down, you got 650 on the resistance around that range, and 7 has resistance. So after that, you got 725 and so forth. HLD. HLD, yeah, we can look at it. I never. Oh, HKD. I think HKD is in this list, if I'm not mistaken. No, it's not. Never mind. Yeah, let's look at it right now together. Find out what we had discovered on the data on was it on Fintel for HKD, AMTD Digital Inc. Okay. Interesting here. What the Fishy, what's crackin' like a like it? Like a like a like it. Like a like a like it. Look at 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 it. 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 Fishy, hit them rockets. Hit them rockets. Hit them rockets. Hit them rockets. New York Giants. Fuck Seahawks. It's all about the Giants. That's right. It's all about the Giants. That's right. It's all about the Giants. That's right. It's all about the Giants. Hey. It's all about the Giants. Woo! It's all about the Giants. Wee! It's all about the Giants. Oh. Oh, shoot. Yeah. Damn, man. Just about to get... Sorry. I'll cut that out. Sorry about that. I'm gonna cut that out. No, that was not. That was not. That was definitely not. Hell no. I said fudge. YouTube heard me too as well. YouTube heard fudge, and we're here talking about chocolate fudge brownies. All right. I know you guys heard the same thing too as well. I will behave. Thank you. Yeah, that's crazy, right? Oh man. Yeah, I heard of a rumor that they were gonna start counting the curse words. That they were gonna have an actual like a ticker, and it would actually count the amount of curse words that you actually say. Either maybe on chat and on stream. I don't know if Momo. I don't know if that word specifically is also part of it. I sound blown. What does that mean? I'm sounding like I'm blowing what? Blowing air? Or I just sound tired, right? MF. What does that mean? Oh, because I said MF. I said MF on that stream. Yeah, I think I did, right? I sound baked. Oh shoot. Oh man, you got me. True story, I actually did. I only took like 3 pulls of sour diesel. It wasn't mine though, to be honest. This guy just gave me like 3 pulls, and I was playing handball earlier. That's why I was late, because I joined up with my best friend and his other friends, and we ended up playing handball for a bit. After work, I just needed to wind down and let it all out and smack balls to the walls. And yeah. Just trying to go with the flow right now. Hey, that prison ball is a very enduring sport. Gotta move a lot. It's either you move a lot or you just kill the ball and save yourself all the running back and forth and stuff. feel me? Cause that shit, that oof. Oh my god. My bad. Shiznit. I said shiznit. Yeah, man. You know, honestly, you know, if I can, hey, you know what's funny? Travis's icon right now, Travis's photo, literally looks like a handball, and I just want to like take it from the screen and just smack it to the wall. It literally looks like it. I kid you not. Look at Travis's icon, his profile picture. And it literally looks like a handball. Where the hell? Oh. I looked at it and I was like, oh, Travis got the thing there. Oh shoot, he said smack it, but you better be soft. Hey, my hands are pretty soft, so I haven't really, luckily I haven't developed any calluses, so you're lucky. But yeah, these are the handballs that we use. That's the brand. It's called Pen. Mm-hmm. 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 Is there such thing as a handball, or is it a racket ball? No, I mean it's considered a racquetball, but they've turned it and they just decided to call it a handball because it's, instead of just using a racquetball, guys decided to use their hands instead, and you know, I mean that's pretty much like how they got, you know, the whole thing, and you know, and then you got the specific gloves to use for the handball. But you know, most of the people like to use their bare hands to get a good feel of the ball and to smack it, and it's pretty decent, you know what I'm saying? So there is handball with no rackets. And that's what it is. Just handball. just a handball. Put the hand on the ball and put that ball to the wall. Plain and simple. You can smack it however you want it, how hard you want it, soft you want it, roll it, cut it, smack it, smash it, punch it, whatever you feel like doing. Yeah. Okay. So, you know what's funny? Interesting. Wait, what is this? Huh? Is this what it really says here? You know, guys, look what it says over here. It's not your usual, like, what it says. Like, you see here how, you know, usually just tells you the company name and stuff right here on top. And you know what's also funny is that here they show you the short interest percentage of the float for HKD. Bop it, twist it, pull it, tug it. So apparently for HKD, there is no short interest percentage float available, but it says here that the short interest is at 832,623 shares with a short interest ratio of 9.35%, 9.35 days to cover. And it says here off exchange short volume ratio is 36.54%. Then here, as of 14 hours ago, it said there's only 750,000 short shares available to borrow, and the minimum to maximum cost to borrow fee is at 10.74%. So that's yeah. Now, in terms of looking at like the history and stuff of the stock, you already know the whole deal with HKD and how this all came about, and the whole summer of IPOs, Hong Kong IPOs. So pretty much here, hold on, maybe you could go to the weekly or something. The craziest, I would want to say, in my opinion, the world's craziest Hong Kong IPO squeeze we've ever seen in history of the markets, and how this all came about, which is insane. And they're talking about $13 in the open, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 trading days that it took exactly to run this up every single time. And we're talking about a 9,600% plus run in 18 days, excluding weekends. This was the biggest P&D ever of all time. And what if there was a round 2 of this thing to actually go beyond? I mean, and what's funny is that nobody is, I mean, I don't know, honestly, who's even watching this play anymore. Who is actually still involved in HKD, even though I'm pretty sure some has actually taken a position, especially now, because it is considered at a all-time low of, I believe, was 265, or maybe it was lower than that. Maybe it was lower than that. Yeah, 265. And if we were to take a look at what has occurred, what had occurred, I want to say just recently from the low. I mean, it has taken some swings here up and down, a lot of spikes throughout the whole year and a half. Maybe before more than that. You got your situation here when it was at like almost 3 and change, and then went up to like almost 5, then came back down. Who knows if this could play out to be like a, maybe this could play out to be some sort of like a triple bottom, and then we get some action happening after that as well. But it's funny how they don't show the short interest percentage of the float. Who knows if it's actually a lot higher than what we think? You know? Yeah, I remember when Teddy Zane was doing that. He was pretty much like the only one that was doing the whole. Well, maybe other people, but he was pretty much covering it every single time. And whenever there was an IPO that would be released, they will all jump on it, and it would just take advantage and try to make something out of it. So, you know. Hmm. All the charts are posted. I was busy on Discord. You want me to? Is it on? I mean, where do you want me to? Oh, on charting? Is it here? Oh, okay. You got. Is that it? Wow. Okay. That's pretty cool. Picking up really fast. It's pretty dope. I it sucks how you can't even like zoom in. You know? Like I'd have to literally open a link page like this and then just try to zoom out from, well, actually no, that doesn't even help. The heck? Alright, that's not gonna work. Alright, I'm gonna have to like see how well I can actually follow this. Okay. All right. All right, TP. I'm glad you had a great time on your birthday. And you already know, much love, giant hugs, best wishes, lots of blessings to you, TP. And yeah, man, many more to come. And stay healthy as always. Take care of yourself. That's the number one important thing. You have a good night's rest too as well, brother. Thank you for popping in. And it's always a pleasure. You already know, TP. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Yeah. Remix. You're welcome, Torchman. You're welcome, Torchman. Get that glizzy in there, man. Get that glizzy in between the buns. Some extra mustard and some ketchup on there too. All right, let's see. Let's see what we can get out of this right now. And oh, we're spamming hearts now. Spamming hearts to the glizzy glider. Glizzy glider. Glizzy glizzo. I'm gonna go ahead and check the weekly. The weekly is pulling out like a bull flag kinda. If you can agree with that. I feel like that's something that's possible. Yer. The MACD, I wanna say it's actually flat. You know? And if you want the line to start, you want the stock to break out, the MACD here, green line should, start to kind of break up once again, I think that would be pretty cool. Oh, for sure, Travis. She definitely is. She definitely is. Shout out to that lucky woman. Somewhere out there. I'm a little. Okay, this looks different. Okay, so this was considered the daily, how the daily candles close, and then the 24-hour is still the daily, but it's with the extended hours included. So when you put on the 24-hour chart here, and I don't know if Kat's listening here, but it seems that this had definitely chose to do somewhat like a double bottom there, or double cheeks. double the cheeks or whatever you wanna call it, and see how there has been more. See how there has been more volume in these green candles for 4 days in a row, and but here's the thing: the volume has actually gotten a little bit more quieter yesterday. So who knows if it's actually trying to dry up here in shorts, or what do you think the situation is in your opinion, Kat? As we can tell from the first cheek here, here before there was a big candle. The volume of this candle here on August 12th was at 65,000, and the next candle afterwards was at 162.1 thousand shares traded. So then it stayed around that time. It looked like they used the same amount, almost the same amount of shares to bring it back down and come back to this wick, and then closing around 289. So now at this point, I'm looking for the stock that had the daily formation. Okay. And I appreciate you sharing this too as well. So thank you. This is the only way, and this is the thing. The only way I'm gonna have to save the image. I'm gonna have to save the image because this is it's not letting me. It's just not letting me like. It's not letting me zoom in properly. You know? That's Love Bug. That's Love Bug playing right now. Oh, okay. Oh, this is, oh shoot. These are fake numbers, by the way. Fake numbers. Did not see anything. This is from a paper trade account. All right. This is for paper trade account. We're only looking at this here, at this formation. What it seems to be like, perhaps maybe a rising wedge or a rising you climb back over. Okay, let's see. Let's see if I can actually do this daily, or maybe, oh god, why 4 daily. Okay, maybe. Oh, what is this? I think you're watching Friday's stream. That's hilarious. Actually, I'm gonna do it from this candle here. And then I'm gonna connect this here. And then I'm gonna like, oh, okay, so maybe it's a ascending triangle. You need a Friday hangout? For real. That'd be cool. Huh. So from here, it seems like we have ourselves potentially, this is just in my opinion, of course, a little, well, is this considered, I don't know. I want to say this is considered just a area of resistance, right around 3 to 305. Jesse Jube. A Friday hangout? Where would you guys like to have a Friday hangout? On would you like to have a Friday hangout on how do you call it? On Discord, or do you still want me to maybe do like a stream? Oh shoot. What is going on with Jennifer? I don't know why I'm even typing. Jennifer can hear me. I'm tired. Sorry. What's going on, Jennifer? What is up? No, kid you not though. Let's see where wait, Kat, you're talking about you said something about pressure. What, pressure from the shorts? Huh. Yeah, I'm thinking, yeah. Yeah, we can probably do what's funny is that I can actually do a stream on Discord, and I can actually use the background too as well. So I'm good, Jennifer. We're just hanging out with the OG, the peeps, and families, and we're just chilling, poker, and hanging out on Discord this Friday. And yeah, not much happening. We're just here holding through, going through the process, and hopefully, because like I mentioned earlier, there seems to be a shift happening, and I feel like things are getting really crazy, and we're getting a little bit closer to probably seeing, in my opinion, things hitting the fan. I think somebody also mentioned about ASTS, if I'm not mistaken. I don't know. Did any of you in here mention ASTS recently? Cannot remember. I don't know if it was probably Chris or Eric G. Maybe you remember who it is. But I can definitely try to find out in just a few moments. I haven't really heard much about ASTS, but we can Oh, I did look at ASTS. AST Space Mobile. Oh, okay. 1,500,000 short shares available. Yeah, hold on. Is it AS? Wait, I think it is ASST. I think it's ASST. I think Jennifer, you got it all, the other way around. Let me see. Asset entities. Oh yeah, freak. I think a mosquito got me. Ah, freak. Frickin'. So 15 hours ago, apparently there were no shares available left. Cost to borrow, it was actually pretty high as of the 16th of August here at 188.24%. Right now it's at 99.80% cost to borrow fees with that stock. So but Jennifer is actually talking about AST Space Mobile. Let's take a look at it real quick. Oh wow, what? Hold on for a second. Wow, look at the what? I mean, besides the fact they had bad earnings, but still, look at this. What? Since the middle of May, around the 14th into the week after, and this was, you know, it's funny. This was actually during the whole AMC and GME sneeze that they had around the same time. I think May 11, May I don't know, maybe that same week. But it looks like ASTS here from $2.48. What the hell? And this thing actually ran over 1,300% in 98 days. So from May 15th, measuring from May 15th all the way to here August 20th, just last week. That is bananas. And it's I mean, gosh, you got to look at how much it ran from that point. Also, if you take a look at the MACD here, you can pretty much see that it's actually peaking out. It's actually peaking out around here. It's trying to pull back, and perhaps we get some type of a bearish divergence here and start to exhaust itself, kind of get rid of some steam, and maybe come back to this point in area here in the MACD and have a little I want to say have a little sell off there, because it's way too overbought. This thing has been considered a multi-week runner, in my opinion. As you can look at the weekly, pretty much here, with just an exception of two candles here that were just little dojis, completely ripping out of control. Now, since I'm looking at the weekly here, the weekly candle is giving me a bullish hammer candle here, which represents a bullish formation pattern, and the potential for ASTS, if this were to be the confirmed scenario, that this would actually have more upside potential to go. Probably push back up over 35 to 36. and so forth. But if this actually ends up becoming um, before the week is over, actually, because obviously you still need until Friday to determine if this is actually going to fulfill um, this bullish hammer candle and push back to the upside and try to hit those past resistance levels around 36 to maybe 38. Um, you still have, also under the other scenario, if it actually loses, if it breaks below 30 bucks and starts to trade beside this candle, this could only turn into a how do you call it, like it sort of resembles like a reversal trend to the downside, maybe a morning star. Is it? I think it's a morning star. Let me just go back and check. You're up like 600 bucks with 91 shares. Wow, Jennifer, that's crazy. Oh no, it's a telecommunications competing with Starlink. Oh wow. Okay, that's insane. All right. I did not. I did not know that was possible. That they had some competition, like with Starlink. So I want to say maybe. Hmm. That wouldn't make sense though. No, that wouldn't make sense. Hmm. Let's see. Let's see how this is looking like. One, two, three. Let's look at the daily. Cause the daily to me looks. Why do I keep drawing? Jeez. Um. Cause this to me on the daily looks like it had a very big bounce here from right above 30, and then looks like it could be that it starts to push back to the upside again, like I was saying, as a bullish case scenario. Hmm. But we're talking about on a weekly though. I'm trying to see because this looks crazy. This looks like it could actually just continue to stair step up. So I wanna like again, just take it with a grain of salt, Jennifer, if you're still in here. But by all means, also like set your limits and stuff, and don't get too greedy. And you know, if you feel satisfied with the amount of gains that you've made, then by all means, do what you got to do. It's your decision. Um, but so far, I'm liking the I want to. Well, it's kind of look. I mean, it looks like a doji, but it does look like it wants to become a bullish hammer candle, and it actually needs to try to break over 43, 34.50, get to 35 bucks, and see if like before the week is over, it can actually retest and try to break over 36. But remember, you also have to account for the way that the market is acting, and also um, how and also how, yeah, how the market moves along with the stock too as well. If you think that that is going to be the case, um, and you want to just do long term and dollar cost average, things like that. I mean, why not? In case if it decides to pull back with the market, if the market decides to drop like crazy, that is that could be another opportunity right there, a window of opportunity to DCA. Because if you really believe in the company like that, then you could just do it for long term, not financial advice. And if this has more, if you think this company has a lot more to offer compared to Starlink, and there's a lot of contracts with a lot of companies and stuff like that, in my guess, I feel like shoot, by all means, by all means. Let's see. Yeah, you got 15 hours ago here saying that AST Space Mobile is maintained at sector outperform by Scotiabank, and the price target was raised to $45.90 a share from $28. And it's definitely looking like it's looking to reach around there, but it's over 600 per share. Deutsche Bank. You gotta be careful with those. Either inflating the price target there. Very, very optimistic coming out with that type of that number of price per share. It does not show me anything else in terms of what's going on with ASTS. But let's see. It looks like this past week they had reported second quarter financial results and announced that it's on track to launch 5 satellites in early September, which is just right around the corner. So they last week announced that its first 5 commercial satellites, called Bluebirds, are on target for orbital launch in the first half of September. The company said it expects Wow. So it expects initial nationwide non-continuous service to be available with AT&T and Verizon beta test users following in-orbit service activation over the coming months. The Bluebird satellites feature the largest ever commercial communications arrays to be deployed in low Earth orbit. The company said the upcoming launch marks a big leap forward in AST Space Mobile's mission to deliver seamless cellular broadband connectivity to billions of mobile users worldwide. So here it says, quote, "We stand at a pivotal moment for AST Space Mobile. Whatever. And the arrival of our first 5 commercial satellites at the launch site marks the culmination of years of relentless innovation and perseverance. In partnership with industry leaders like AT&T, Google, Verizon, Vodafone, and Rakuten, among others," said Abel Evelyn, who's the founder, chairman, and CEO. The upcoming orbital launch is a significant step toward fulfilling our mission to eliminate dead zones and empower communities worldwide with space-based cellular broadband connectivity. AST Space Mobile shares. Okay, so based on that, this thing has been more than 175% over the past month and up nearly 550% year to date. Scotiabank like I mentioned before, raising the price target from 2110 to 28, and so forth. So yeah, pretty interesting. It could, it could, it could maybe perhaps continue on um, rallying. In my opinion, again, looking to break over 35 and then so forth. The resistance pretty much here being around 40 bucks potentially. But again, um, just yeah, just to keep an eye, because you know it does look like from Tuesday that it had been having some sell-offs here and there and looking a little weaker. And if it holds and consolidates and then goes for another round, then that is the scenario. If not, it loses support, and then we will see this eventually go back to 30 and then so forth. So that's that hypothetical analysis there for ASTS. So yeah, there you have it. But again, not financial advice, and just do be careful and with the limits and everything. Yeah, make your money. Oh, DH in the house. What's up? He said DHL. That's funny. Oh my god. Pills in the chat. Hey, don't promote pill popping. That's not cool. Oh my god, I hate this. Yeah. Damn, I mean DH, what's going on with you? Let's see what's up here. We need a confirmation, which would gap up. Definitely. Let me see. I'm gonna try to gap up past $3. Yeah, look, those are vitamins. All right. YouTube. Yeah. Just know. In our opinion, those are vitamins. All right. We are promoting health, overall health, and vitamins. No, you know. Hmm. Just having a Just having a tough time. Just overall, just having a tough time here. Hmm. Oh shoot. Maybe here. Trying to see, maybe. Tough. Okay, so I feel like maybe with this one, I think, let's see. So what you're saying, cat. So let's say could be possible, maybe. Maybe we get a. So you figure you're seeing this type of pattern here, ascending triangle. The last thing you wouldn't want is for this to be considered as a a bear flag. You don't want that to happen. So it'd be like something like this, and then break down from there and start to come back to this level here at around 260, 270. But it's come down a lot ever since, and this is the first time that you see a lot more green candles here popping up. So the volume has to continue to come back up. So I think I actually agree with this. I think it's possible for this to actually try to gap up and then fill this part at 3, and then hit the bounce and then try to go for like 320 and so forth. I believe that's what you have as well. It looks like there is a gap here, but I think in order to fill gaps, oh my god. Oh my god, I just saw the comment. Good lord. Huh. So I guess we're gonna have to go with that because it seems to be aligning with what I'm looking at too as well. So the only thing we need is just that kind of just see that breakout, the same breakout that we're looking at. So from over 3 and then back to 320 around that range. So let's just leave it at that for now, and then we'll see what happens in the next daily candle. All right, so for sure, and it's kind of getting a little bit late. Yeah, I'm gonna leave this. I'm gonna leave this here for reference, and then we're just gonna see from here how it'll move. But first, of course, I like to of course, look at the smaller time frame. Always, I think, in my opinion, what I do is just look at the smaller time frames and see how it's all tracking along with the larger time frames. You can see it clearly right here. It's had a while here, just bouncing above the between the 48 EMA and the 13, and it looks like it's wanting to finally try to break over the 48 EMA, and it ended up with a big green candle. So if you look at the MACD here on the 4-hour, this is a nice little thing going on here. So here you already have a signal, and that can cause this to confirm a breakout and a convergence, pretty much a bullish divergence going to the upside. The same thing goes for, look at this. Same thing goes for the RSI, and as long as the line is just above the yellow line, I think we're all good from there. So nice little breakout here too. Nice bounce away from the yellow line. So that's what we need to see too as well. That's on the 4 hours, so you can imagine. Hey, listen, I feel like things blow out of the water and we see doom in the markets. Small caps are going to get triggered. So with that being said, I'm just gonna leave it at that. All right. I will stream. I will actually. Here's what I'll do. Oh, Jesse, say NFA, not financial advice. I would like to say that if anything, I'll wake up. I'll wake up a little early, and I'm going to set up the chart. I'm gonna stream for the morning throughout the day, so that way we can get back to that. And if you have any tickers, especially HKD, which I'm gonna actually put in those 6 charts, within those 6 charts, let me know the other tickers that you want me to put up there for the live stream, and to be able to track together along with I would say to track along with the SPY. So I'll have HKD and I'll have the SPY on there, and yeah, we'll just take a look at that. I think I'll put Rocket Labs there for now too as well. And yeah, just give me a heads up on Discord, and let me know. Oh, by the way, and because we were talking about precious metals too, we're still hanging around here at gold and silver here, close to $30 an ounce, and gold just above 2,500. So keep an eye on that, and then also keep an eye on the mining stocks, like for example, EXK. As you can tell here, it was at 340 today. I mean, early in the morning. So it looks like it's really trying to get close to breaking that 200. So just keep an eye on EXK. But anyway, that without further ado, let's all say goodnight to each other. And yeah, I'd like to thank each and every one of you. Zelly, first and foremost, thank you so much. Thank you for being here. Hearts to you, million times hearts to you, and big hugs. And much love to everybody else here. So thank you to Eric, Momo, Cat, Travis, Chris, Fishy, DH, Jesse, TP the birthday boy, and Jennifer for coming through. And also shout out to Johnny, who came through on Discord. And yeah, we'll see what's up later on. So everybody else, rest up, get your mind clear. Again, much love to everybody. Love you all. Giant hugs. And I'll see you in the next live stream through a shortly line of all trades. So, toodles. Hasta mañana. Buenas noches. Take care. Peace out.